Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Google Meet. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on Force Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.